Hello, just a quick video on the E moves, the N moves, and the S moves on the Rubik cube. Now here I have the 5x5, and first we will do the capital E move on the cube. So the E is, if we go down here, we get to here, the middle layer in between the two top ones. The E move is the middle layer here between the two top layers and the two bottom layers, and we have this one here. This will be the E move. So if we do E, we are rotating this middle layer here, this middle one here, we are rotating it just like the D move. For example, this is the D, or the W, or the double D move, or the capital D, and the little d. So here, the one above the two D's, which is this middle layer here, will be the E move, and for it to go in the E direction, we just move it in the D direction too. So when we move E, we move it in the D direction. Now if we move it E prime, we move it just like we move D prime. So we move it this way. Thank you. Take care, folks.